Ever had one of those days on the farm when it feels like the whole universe is conspiring against you? The tractor gets stuck in the mud, a crucial piece of equipment breaks right when you need it most, and the sky opens up with a downpour you weren't expecting. It's just you against the elements, a constant battle with the rain, the soil, and the machines. On days like that, I can't help but scroll through and see these massive, million-dollar operations, and I just have to wonder, does this happen on a farm like that? I'm talking about the big players, the ones with sprawling fields that stretch to the horizon and machinery so advanced it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. You see these huge, shiny tractors, GPS-guided planters, and massive combines that can harvest hundreds of acres in a day. It all looks so smooth, so efficient, so perfect. It makes you think, do they really have it easier? When you're dealing with that much land and that level of investment, the stakes are incredibly high. A single mistake or a mechanical failure on a machine that costs more than a house isn't just a small setback, it's a massive financial hit. Imagine the stress of managing a fleet of that size, coordinating logistics across thousands of acres, and dealing with the payroll for a whole team of people. The problems might be different, but they're definitely bigger. A breakdown isn't just an afternoon of wrenching in the shop. It could mean calling in a specialized technician and waiting for parts that cost a small fortune, all while your planting or harvesting window is closing. And let's not forget the weather. Rain doesn't care if your farm is worth $1 million or $10 million. A hailstorm can wipe out a massive field just as easily as a small one. A drought will parch the soil regardless of how advanced your tiller is. At the end of the day, every farmer, big or small, is at the mercy of Mother Nature. The fundamental challenges of agriculture, the soil, the weather, the pests, the market prices, they're universal. The scale changes, but the struggle is the same. We all share that same feeling of satisfaction when a crop comes in strong, and that same sting of disappointment when things don't go as planned. So, what do you think? Do these mega farms really have a leg up, or is it just a different set of problems on a much larger scale? Is farming always the same tough, rewarding job, no matter the size of your operation? I'd love to hear your perspective on this. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these kinds of discussions about the realities of farm life, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.